Okay, I'm about to go through my entire closet right now. This is literally from middle school, I think. Way too big on me. I never wear it. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I'm going to be doing yet again another thrift flip. But for today's video, I'm actually going to be doing something a little different. If some of you guys watch my videos, you might have seen that a couple months ago, I took my mom's old clothing and upcycled it into stuff that I would wear today. For today's video, I'm going to be taking my old clothing and upcycling it into something cute and stylish that I would wear today. Obviously, they're my old clothes. I don't like them anymore, so I want to upcycle them. So let's just get into it. So first I absolutely went through my closet and took out all the clothing that I knew that I wasn't gonna wear anymore and put that into a pile, and took out all the clothing I didn't wear anymore, but I thought that I could turn it into something cute. Okay, I'm about to go through my entire closet right now, right here, and find some things to flip. Okay, I like this champion crew neck a lot, but it's just like way too big on me. I never wear it. So this could maybe be something that I flip. Okay, this polo t-shirt, I don't even know where I got this. This is literally from middle school, I think, but polos are kind of like back in, or like button down with collars are kind of back in. So maybe I could like do something with this, maybe. It's an option, okay? Okay, now let's see what we got to work with. Okay, now that we went through my entire closet and found some things that I want to flip, it is time to get to some DIYing. After going through my entire closet, I actually picked out 4 items that I wanted to flip for you guys today. So the first item is this champion crew neck, and actually I think my boyfriend gave this to me. He said he never wore it because it was too big on him, but he knew I liked oversized stuff, but it was like 2 times extra large or 3 times extra large, and it was just way too big. Like, I didn't even like the way it looked, so I knew I wanted to make this item wearable because it is a cute item, but it's just like way too big on me and I never wear it. So what I thought I could do with this sweatshirt is to not only crop it, but cinch it and turn it into something that would be tight around my waist to wear, rather than just cropped and like really baggy and loose. For this flip, I had to go to Hobby Lobby and just pick up one item, and that is these metal eyelets, and we'll get into how to use those later in the flip. So first I tried the sweatshirt on and saw that it was obviously way too big, so I measured it out and drew with a Sharpie marker where I wanted to crop it. Then I took the sweatshirt off and I cut below that line because I'm gonna have to hem the sweatshirt. After I cut it, I flipped the sweatshirt inside out and used this fabric stitch glue that I got from Hobby Lobby a couple flips ago. Really useful because I suck at sewing and it takes me forever, so I always just resort to this fabric stitch glue. So like I said, I flipped the sweatshirt inside out and I folded it over and used the fabric stitch glue to just glue down like I was sewing up to the line where I wanted it to be cropped. And make sure you're gluing the edges of the sweatshirt because you're gonna need the center of the sweatshirt for later use. You'll see what I'm talking about. And then I pinched that down just to make sure it wouldn't come apart, and I let that dry for like 2 hours. And then once that was all dry, I took the sweatshirt and I cut it back right side out, and then I used a ruler to measure where the middle of the sweatshirt was. I cut 2 little eyelet holes in the center of the sweatshirt about 1 inch apart, and then I used the metal eyelets. For these metal eyelets, there is a smaller one and a larger one, and you want to take the smaller one and put it inside that slit that you just cut inside the sweatshirt, and take the larger one and put it on top of it. And these two do not match up, so you actually take a hammer and just hammer them lightly. Do not do it hard because then the metal stopper will just flatten completely and it won't work. Lightly tap it so the metal eyelets stick together. The next thing you're going to need is an elastic cord and an elastic cord stopper. Now I already had these because I'm actually a swimmer and we use these to put them around our goggles, but I know you can get them from Hobby Lobby or Joann Fabrics. That's where I was going to get it, but then I realized I could just get it for free. So I just took that elastic cord and I actually tied a safety pin to it and undid the safety pin so that it could fit inside the hole. So you put the elastic cord with the safety pin through the metal eyelet, inch its way through all the way to the other metal eyelet. You want to put the sweatshirt back on. I tied the 2 ends of the elastic cord and I put that knot into the sweatshirt, inched its way to the back so the knot wouldn't pop out through the sweatshirt again. And then I took the plastic stopper and put the elastic cord in the stopper and cinched it to my waist, and that is it. Now the stitch glue on the crew neck did kind of bleed through, but that will dry. It was just still a little wet when I was using it because on the bottle I think it says to wait like a whole 24 hours before even like touching the item. If you're like, Cora, that looks awful, I promise you it's gonna fade and it's gonna turn out right because I've used this stitch glue quite a few times now. So that is definitely the hardest one that we're gonna do for this flip, but I promise you if I can do it, you can do it, because I am not that crafty. As much as I may seem like I'm crafty, I'm really not. So, and you can do this with hoodies. I think it turned out really cute, and it wasn't as hard as I thought it was gonna be. That is item 1, all complete. Okay, the second item that I wanted to flip were these long yellow pants. Now, I've had these for a couple years now, and I think I've worn them like twice. I just love the color of them, but if I'm gonna be honest, when do I ever wear colored pants? Like, I don't have any event or any place that I wear colored sweatpants to. So what I wanted to do with these yellow sweatpants is make them into shorts. This is pretty easy, but like everything, it looks easier than it is, but I promise you it is definitely doable. So what I did is I tried the pants on and measured out how short I wanted them to be, and I took a pen and marked right on the shorts. I'm not professional, I don't use a fabric marker, but I took the pants off and folded them in half so that when I cut them, they would be even. I just cut below the pen marker that I made because I'm gonna have to hem them, so I didn't want to cut right on the line that I made. And then once I cut them, I turned them inside out and I used the fabric stitch glue to hem the edges so they're all nice and even and there's no like rough edges. Like I said, I don't like sewing, so the fabric stitch glue is such an easy alternative. These turned out so cute and I am so excited to wear them for the summer because I'm wanting to turn these into shorts. I really like it, and that is item number 2, all complete. Okay, the third item is this polo t-shirt. I found this in my closet and I don't even know where this came from. I think I've had it since like middle school when polos were like a thing that people actually wore. Like, I remember my sister had all the polos from Aeropostale. She had like every color from Aeropostale because they were so cute. But I noticed a trend kind of on like Brandy Melville. They have like polo style t-shirts that are really trendy right now. And I think they're really cute. So when I saw this, I was like, honestly, I should just flip this so I can actually wear it. So when I tried the polo on, it did fit me. I just didn't like how long it was. So literally all I'm doing with this polo is cropping it. So I just tried the polo on and I measured out how short I wanted to crop it. And I just took a pen and again, I marked where I wanted to crop. I marked it a little lower with the pen and I took it off and I just cut above that line that I marked. And that is literally it for that item. Like, that is all I did was crop it. And I actually think it turned out really cute. It literally looks like I bought it from like Forever 21 or Brandy Melville, anything like that.
Darling, you send me. I know you send me.
Okay, and the last item that I am flipping is this turtleneck long sleeve. I just hate turtlenecks now. I find them so uncomfortable. Well, okay, that's actually false. I don't know, something about them. I don't like the fabric on my body. So when I saw this in my closet, I was like, no, I don't want this anymore. And I was like, wait, maybe I can flip it and turn it into something cute. What I want to do with it is try to make it into a tube top since it is the summer. Obviously, you can't wear a turtleneck and I wouldn't even wear this anyways. What I did is I literally just cut the neck and the sleeves off of this long sleeve, and then I cut the bottom of it to make it cropped a little bit, and then I literally just put it back on and I folded the top over, and that is all I did to it, and it turned out really cute. And I could literally wear this to like a concert or just on a regular summer day. Really casual, cute, and really easy to make. So that is the last item. The last two were so easy. That is it for this video. I hope you guys liked it because I had a lot of fun doing it and I'm so excited to wear all the stuff I made, honestly. I'm probably gonna wear that crew neck to the airport tomorrow when I leave for New York. Subscribe to my channel if you want to, and yeah, I'll see you guys in my next one. I have like 3 other thrift flips if you want to go watch those. You should. And yeah, hope to see you guys in the next one. Love you guys. Bye.
Oh, they think about you. Oh, they think about